Hello everyone, how are you today? I really miss you very much. I miss each and every one of you. I know this time is a little bit strange for you, but it's okay. It's just so everyone can stay safe and healthy at home. Just because we are at home and we are away from school, that doesn't mean that learning stops. We still need to learn a lot about a lot of things right now. And we need to keep our knowledge, we need to gain more of our knowledge, and we need more understanding of things. So far today we are going to continue the idea of the last lesson, but before that, if you remember we had the homework, let's do it first and make sure of your answers, then we will continue. Okay, our homework. Select an object or pronoun that could take the place of the noun in each sentence. Him, her, them, it, us, and me. Number 1. I bought a gift for Jaden and Jesse. Jaden and Jesse, them. Excellent. Mrs. Osawa gave me an A on the test. The test here, it. Excellent. Judy made a cake for Daniel. Daniel, him. There is enough candy for both you and me. You and me here, us. Sylvie brought the trash can to the car. Here, the trash can is it. I really like the new clothes I got. Here we have clothes. Them, because it's plural. Excellent. Byron went to the store with my brother and me. Us. I need to take my dog Scranger for her walk. Scranger is the name of the dog, so it. We threw a surprise party for Timothy. Timothy here is the name of a man. Excellent. Give your empty plates to Jenny and Susanna. Them. Excellent. I hope that all of your answers are right. I'm sure that most of you did it well. Excellent, all of you. Okay, today we will continue the idea of our lesson, so please focus with me. It's very simple and easy to understand, okay? In the previous lesson, we learned about the object pronouns and when do we use them. Today, we will learn about the direct and indirect objects. What are they and what are the differences between them? We are going to know that. Look here. All sentences have subject and verb. All of us know that, right? Some sentences may also have an object after the main verb. Okay. An object is a part of the predicate in a sentence. It receives the action done by the subject. For example, here. Okay, before the example, we have there are two types of the object within a sentence. We have direct object and we have indirect object. For example, here, the mother fed her child milk. The mother fed her child milk. Okay, here we have milk as a direct object. And her child is the indirect object. Okay. A direct object is a noun or noun phrase or pronoun that receives the action of a verb directly. A direct object answers the question what or who or whom. Okay. For example here, look at the example. Ricky threw pebbles in the pond. Okay. If I ask, what did Ricky throw? So, you will find the answer that pebbles. Pebbles is the answer of what did Ricky throw. So the pebbles here is the direct object. Excellent. Okay. A sentence that has direct object may or may not have an indirect object. Look at this example. I received the parcel. Okay, if I ask you, what did I receive? The answer will be parcel. So in this sentence, there is no indirect object. Parcel is the direct object here. Okay? Excellent. An indirect object is a noun or noun phrase or pronoun to whom or for whom the action is done. It receives the action through the direct object and not directly. Okay. Indirect object answers the question at whom, to whom, for whom, or from. It often comes after a preposition. There can be no indirect object without a direct object. For example here, he passed a packet to Nikki. Okay. The packet is passed to whom? If I ask you the packet is passed to whom, you will answer me, Nikki. So here's the action done is done to Nikki. So Nikki comes after a preposition to, which is the indirect object. Nikki comes after the preposition to. And the bucket or a bucket is the direct object. Okay? Okay. An indirect object may come before or after a direct object. For example, here, Rama gave the notes to me. Me here is indirect object. Also, we can say, Rama gave me the notes. So here we have the same meaning, but some of them after a preposition, some of them after a verb. Okay? Excellent. Okay, now I want you please to open your pupils book on page 79 and look here at the examples. Okay, we went to Tahiti for our holidays. I want you to focus here on these two examples. A young man showed us his beautiful island. Us here is the object pronoun or indirect object pronoun. Excellent. Here, a girl made me a crown of flowers. Excellent. Me here is the object pronoun. Excellent. Okay, now let's do the exercise, which is number 2. Yes. Read and match, write the letters. Here you are going to match between the sentence and with its letter, with its picture, okay? The children were bored, so Dad read them a story. Which one do you think is the suitable one? Excellent. D. Grandma got a new computer. I sent her an email. Which one? Excellent. E. It was Grandpa's birthday. We made him a cake. Which one? Excellent. F. When I said goodbye to Susie, she gave me her phone number. A. If you are good, I'll give you some sweets. Aunt Jan said to the boys. Picture G. We love our Uncle Fred. He told us a very funny joke. Yes, C. Can I show you my new pet? Asked Jem. Which one? H. The dog was hungry, so I gave it a bone. Yes, B. Excellent. Okay, I will leave exercise number 3 for you as a homework. Okay, here you should write sentences like this examples by using them. But I want you to write just 3 sentences. I think they are enough. Okay. For next class, we will take page 64 in the pupils book, in the workbook, and pages 15 and 14 on the booklet. Okay. If you're super confused, send me. I'll try to help you as much as possible. Other than that, I'm going to provide you with some worksheets, some activities that you can do it at home. Please try to read and write as much as you can at home so that later on you can share everything that you wrote at home with me in class, inshallah. And stay safe, have fun, and keep in contact. And hopefully we'll be back together soon. See you later, girls, and goodbye.